Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you two really easy ways to calculate slope and intercept in Excel. So here I have the height data and the income data, and what slope does is it's a value that would tell you the relation between these two data series. So if the height increases, would the income increase or not, and vice versa. If the height goes down, then would the income increase or it would decrease. So when I have the slope value, then I would be able to know how income is related to height. So in this case, this is called the independent variable and this is called the dependent variable. And this is the slope equation where, let's say I want to calculate y, which in this case would be income. So I want to calculate what would be the income for a given height in centimeters. Then if I have the slope value, which is m, and the intercept value, which is b, then I can easily calculate what would be the income for a given height for this data set. So to calculate slope in Excel, there is an inbuilt formula, so you don't need to do anything. Simply use this formula, slope. You first need to give the y values, which in this case would be income or the dependent variable, and then the x values, which in this case would be height, and that's it. Now when you hit enter, it gives you the slope value, which is 138.55, which is the m here. And to calculate intercept, again they have an inbuilt formula, so you use the intercept function, again give the y values and then comma and then the x values. And now when you hit enter, it gives me the intercept value. Now with this, I can easily create this equation and find out for any height in centimeters what would be the expected income. Now this is one way to do this with formulas. Another really simple way to do this would be using a scatter chart. So if I select this entire data set, I go to the insert tab here in the ribbon, and here within charts I would insert a scatter chart. Now with this scatter chart, you'll see that the data has been plotted, but I need a trend line, and on that trend line I can easily get the equation something like this here. So to do that, I would right click on any of these scatter points, go to add a trend line, and when I do that, it adds a trend line and also opens this format trend line pane on the right. So simply scroll down and click on display equation on chart, and when I do that, and let me close this, you can see this equation here. And now you have the slope and the intercept right in this equation, and you can see the format of this equation is like this only, which is y is equal to mx, where m is the slope value, which you can see is the same that we got from the formula 138.56, and the intercept value, which is again the same. So these are two really easy ways to calculate slope and intercept in Excel. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.